Let's go over how to create different versions of a digital link using dynamic data. This is useful for showing details like batch or lot number, expiration date, serial number, net weight, and more. Start by logging into your digital link dashboard. Find the digital link you want to work with, click the three-dot menu, and select Link Setup. Inside the link setup page, go to Dynamic Item Data. Click Add Data and enter the details for your variant, like batch number or expiry date. When you're done, hit Add to save it. Once you've added dynamic data, you can manage each variant using the three-dot menu. You'll be able to edit, delete, share, or even set up a unique link set for each one. And that's it. That's how you create product variants using dynamic data in Digital Link. If you need help, check the support section or drop your question in the comments.